Okay, then now you continue.
Done now.
Okay, sir. Now you will continue your class.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so I was asking you, what is declarative sentence or assertive sentence?
The declarative sentences convey information or state a fact through statements.
Yes. Okay. Now, Ladli,
Yes, sir.
tell me the definition of a declarative sentence, or you can say assertive sentence.
The declarative sentence convey information or state a fact through statements.
Okay. In simple, the simple definition can be the sentences which makes a statement or declares something is known as declarative sentence or assertive sentences. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, and what is the imperative sentence? Wait, Suryanshi, answer the question. What is the imperative sentence?
The sentences that show order, advice, suggestion are called imperative sentences.
Okay, very good. Now, next one is, what is the exclamatory sentence?
Sir, can I say?
Wait,
Sir, can I say?
wait, Ritesh Kumar Urao. Yes, Ritesh.
Nice. Exclamatory express strong emotion are called exclamation sentence.
Sorry, repeat once again.
Exclamatory sentence express strong emotion is called exclamatory sentence.
The sentences which is used to express strong emotions are known as exclamatory sentences. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we will move to bookwork. Is it clear? So section A, what is given in section A?
Right. Whether this
Section A is write whether these these sentences are declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. If it is declarative, you have to put D. If it is interrogative, you have to put I. And if it is imperative, you have to mark it I am as I am. And if it is exclamatory, then you have to mark it as E. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Wait for a second. So, is it visible to you? Is it visible? What I have written in copy, it is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Clearly, it is clearly visible now.
Yes, sir.
So, the first sentence is, Shania won a gold medal in the tournament. It is imperative, exclamatory, declarative, or assertive. Or you can say declarative. Yes. Which kind of sentence it is? Now only I have said the sentence which declares something or states something is known as declarative sentence. So it is declarative sentence. So you will write D. You will mark it as D. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now second is, why are you standing outside the class? Question mark. This is
Interrogative
Sentence.
very good. So mark I.
I.
So mark I. Small I. It is interrogative sentence.
Sentences.
Now third one is, have you seen the India Gate?
interrogative
Interrogative. Interrogative.
This is interrogative
Sentence.
sentence. Now please get me a pen.
Imperative sentences.
This is a
Imperative
this-
sentences.
and this sentence is expressing the sense of request. So it is imperative. So you will put I am. Clear? Now, fifth one is don't make noise in the class. This is
Sir.
yes.
Imperative.
Very good. Very good. So this is imperative sentence.
Sentence.
What a lovely sight.
Exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory sentence.
So you will put E mark. Is it clear? Now seventh is will you take part in the dramatics?
Interrogative sentence.
Good. So this is interrogative. You will put I mark. Now I want to eat pasta tonight. This is to eat pasta tonight. What?
Imperative.
No.
Imperative sentence.
No, there is no sense of order or request or advice.
Declarative sentence.
Yes, it is expressing a statement. Now, up to here you have written.
Yes, sir.
The first one is declarative declarative sentence. Second one is imperative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Third one is interrogative sentence. Fourth one is imperative sentence. Fifth one is imperative sentence. Sixth one is exclamatory sentence. Seventh one is interrogative sentence. Eighth one is declarative sentence. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
here it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now in B number, put the correct punctuation mark. Is it clear? The question is you have to put the correct punctuation mark. Clear? So the first question is Surbhi is the best speaker in our school. Surbhi is the best speaker in our school. Which punctuation mark you will use?
Full stop.
Very good. So you will use only full stop.
Stop.
Now Sunidhi, read the next question.
Did you reach the stadium on time?
Yes. So this
Question
statement is very good.
Question mark.
So this is you will put question mark. Now Anamika. Anamika, read the third sentence.
Have you seen the India Gate?
So this sentence is expressing which sense? Interrogative, imperative, or declarative?
Interrogative.
Very good. So you will put question mark.
Sir,
Yes.
this is question number. Sir, this question is from number 1. Yes, number 8. Question number 8.
Okay, then. A we have already completed now. Wait for a second. Okay. So we are doing put the correct punctuation mark. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in first number you will put full stop. In second number,
The question mark.
question mark. It is of types of sentences. Prachi, this chapter, this exercise is of type of sentences. Clear? Third one. Third one. Read third question. Ritika Kumari. Yes. Your voice is not audible. Yes.
Go out of.
Sunidhi, read this question. Third one.
Go out of the room.
Go out of the
Room. Go out of the room.
Okay, wait. Wait for a second. Second we have already done, na?
Yes.
Did you reach the stadium on time? Question mark. Third one is, wait for a second. Now is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So third one is go out of the room. This is imperative sentence. So we will put full stop. Is it clear? Third one is imperative sentence. So we will put full stop. Is it clear? Clear or not? Your voice is not coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
fourth one is,
Sir.
it is a terrible day. What will be the answer? It is a terrible day. You will put full stop. Because it is a declarative sentence. Now fifth one is charge your phone battery properly. What will be the answer? Phone battery properly. So this is the command. You will put. This is an imperative sentence. You will put full stop at the end. Now sixth one is what a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant surprise. So this is an exclamation sentence. So you will put exclamatory mark.
Sir, your voice.
Yes, I know that my voice is. Now my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look. Here I have done these questions. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So the first one is declarative sentence, so you will put full stop. Second one is, did you reach the stadium on time? It is interrogative sentence, so you will put question mark at the end. Now third one is, go out of the room. This is imperative sentence, so you will put full stop at the end. Fourth one is, it is a terrible day. It is a declarative sentence, so you will put full stop. Now, charge your phone battery properly. This is a command, so you will put full stop because it is a imperative sentence. And sixth one is, what a pleasant surprise. This is an exclamatory sentence, so you will put an exclamatory mark at the end. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible to all of you?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you have completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait for a second. So, C, we will move to C section. What is written in C section? Rewrite these sentences as per the instruction given in the bracket. One has been done for you. So, number one is, do I need to take this medicine every day? You have to change into declarative sentence. And the answer is done for you. I need to take this medicine every day. Is it clear? So, one has been already done. We will move to second number question. Yes.
Answer is, you like music to listening.
No, music to listening not. You like listening to music. So the answer will be, you like listening to
music.
Listening to music. Is it clear? You have written?
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Sir, completed. Yes, sir.
Okay, wait for a second. Now third one is Riya coming to the library with us? You have to change into declarative sentence. So what will be the answer?
Riya is coming to the library with us.
Very good. So answer will be, is coming. Riya is coming to the library with us. Library with us. Full stop. We'll put full stop. Is it clear? At the end.
Yes.
Now fourth one is, you can push this cupboard. You have to change into interrogative sentence.
Can you push this cupboard?
Can you push this?
This cupboard.
Covered.
And at the end, what you will put? Question
Question
mark.
mark.
Question mark.
Fifth one is, it is snowing in Kashmir. You have to change into interrogative. Is it snowing in Kashmir? Is it clear? So, and again you will put question mark. Now look at here. I have done for you. Just check your answer, whether your answer are correct or not. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
C section. Look at C section. I have written only answer. Have you checked your answer? Yes, say me yes or no. Have you
Yes,
checked your
sir.
answer?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now the next one is sixth one. Did you meet the teacher yesterday? You have to change it.
Yesterday.
You meet.
The teacher yesterday.
yesterday.
You meet the teacher.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. You will put full stop. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Seventh one is the tourists are going to Nainital. You have to change into interrogative. What will be the answer? Are
the tourists going to Nainital?
Yes, are the tourists going to Nainital? And then question mark. Eighth one is the place is indeed beautiful. You have to change it into exclamatory. What a beautiful place it is. And then exclamatory mark. Now, pick your answer.
So question number 8.
What a beautiful place it is. Check it. Check the answer. Match your answer from my copy. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Can you show me?
What a beautiful place it is. And then exclamatory mark. All of you have done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have you matched your answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait for a second. So up to here we have completed. Now section D. It is section D. It is section D. Now, what is in section D? It is given that
Add suitable word to complete the sentences. Also identify the kind of sentences thus formed. One has been done for you.
okay. So what you have to do, you have to add a suitable word to complete these sentences, and you have to identify the kind of sentence it is. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
One has been already done for you. So number one is what an interesting story it is, and an exclamation mark is put after it. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Is it clear? So second, what will be the second answer?
What are you feeling now? Interrogative sentence.
What are you feeling now?
What?
This is a wrong question. Sorry, wrong answer. What?
How are you feeling now?
Very good. So the answer will be, how are you feeling now? How are
Yes,
you
sir.
feeling
Now.
So this is interrogative. Is it clear? Now number 3 is Dash is an outstanding actress.
C.
Good. So it is declarative sentence.
Sentence.
Have you done? Now fourth one is,
Yes, sir.
you drop me home. Will you? Interrogative. Fifth is do not leave your things here. It is imperative. And sixth one is why don't you? Answer is why don't you? It is interrogative. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now match your answer. I have written only answer. First one is what, answer is what, and it is an exclamatory sentence. It has been already done. Second one is how. It is interrogative sentence. Now third one is C. Answer is C. It is declarative sentence. Fourth one is will. The answer is interrogative. Yes.
So we can write, can you drop me home?
Will you drop me?
So we cannot write, can you drop me?
Look, it is a modal verb, and modal verb is used according to the sense. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because you are making a request, and if you are making a request, then you will have to use will. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fifth one is do. It is imperative. Sentence. And sixth one is why. It is interrogative. Sentence. Is it clear? So I think the bookwork is over of this chapter. We have completed the bookwork of this chapter. Yes, say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, what we have learned today?
So sentences.
Kinds
How
of-
to use
Sir,
Wait. Yes? Wait. Let me allow someone. Lucky, my voice is audible? Okay. Lucky. Ansraj.
Yes, sir.
Ansraj, my voice is coming to you.
Yes, sir.
So, what we have learned today? Yes, answer the question.
Sir, we have learned sentences and bookwork.
We have done bookwork. We have learned sentence and types of sentences. Is it clear? Today, whatever we have learned, wait for a second. So today, whatever we have learned, we are going to recapitulate it.
So I can't
Sentence.
hear your voice nicely.
Now my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, your voice is repeating 2 times.
Yes, maybe there will be a technical error because from my side it is no error. Now my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Prachi, what is declarative sentence? Yes, my voice is audible.
Yes,
My
sir.
voice is coming.
Yes, sir.
What is declarative sentence?
Sir, a declarative sentence shows the information and state of the fact.
Okay. Anyone else? Ritesh, do you want to answer this question? Ritesh, your voice is not coming. Suryansip. Suryansip,
Yes, sir.
what is declarative sentence? Okay, Ansaraj.
Sir, what is the meaning of convey?
What?
Sir, can I say the meaning of convey?
Convey. Convey.
Convey.
Yes, to convey your message, it is means to pass your message. Convey means pass. To pass your message or to, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ansaraj. What is declarative sentence?
The statement that assert, state, or declare something is called assertive sentence
Good.
or
So
declarative sentence.
good. The statement that states or declares something is known as declarative or
Sentence.
assertive sentence.
Sentence.
So now what is imperative? What is imperative? What is the imperative sentence?
The sentence that show order, advice, suggestions, etc. are called imperative sentence.
Good. Bhagirath. Bhagirath, what is interrogative sentence?
Interrogative sentence.
Yes.
Usually being with question words.
Yes, it begins with question word. But what is the definition of interrogative sentence?
Sir,
Can I say? Sir, can I say?
Wait. Let Bhagirath answer this question. Where was your attention, Bhagirath? The sentence used to ask question is known as interrogative sentence. Is it clear? The sentence which is used to ask question is known as interrogative sentence. It usually begins with WH words. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is exclamatory sentence? Ladli.
Sir, can I say?
Wait. Ladli.
Exclamatory sentences express strong feelings or emotions.
Yes. Good. The sentence